Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Airbyte for syncing data into Postgres step by step clearly. First, ensure you have Docker installed on your machine. Open your terminal and check if Docker is running by typing Docker version. Next, you will need to pull the Airbyte Docker image. Run the command docker pull airbyte/airbyte latest. After the image is downloaded, create a new directory for Airbyte. Change into that directory using cd your directory name. Now, you need to start the Airbyte server. Run the command docker compose up. Wait for the server to initialize completely. You should see logs indicating that the Airbyte platform is ready. Once it's ready, navigate to your web browser. Enter http://localhost 8000 in the address bar. You will be greeted with the Airbyte dashboard. To start syncing data, click on the Sources tab. Select Add Source to create a new data source. Choose your desired connector from the list provided. Fill in the required configuration details based on your selected source. Click Test Connection to ensure it connects successfully. If successful, click on Setup Source to save your settings. Next, navigate to the Destinations tab. Select Add Destination to set up your PostgreSQL database. Choose PostgreSQL from the available options. Enter your PostgreSQL connection details such as host, port, database name, username, and password. Again, click Test Connection to validate the details. Assuming the connection is successful, click on Set up Destination. Now, go to the Connections tab. Choose Add Connection to link your source to your destination. Select the source you just created from the drop-down menu. Then select the PostgreSQL destination you set up. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.